In this video, I will show you 5 simple daily exercises that can slowly help you improve your English naturally. These exercises are easy to follow, they do not require perfect grammar, and if you practice them every day, you will slowly notice that English starts coming into your mind more automatically. So stay with me until the end, because the last exercise is simple, powerful, and something most learners never try. Let's begin with the first exercise. Exercise number 1 is called Name Everything Around You. Right now, look around your room and notice the things near you. Maybe you see a phone, a chair, a bottle, a fan, a window, or a bag. Now say those words directly in English without translating them in your head. After that, start making small natural sentences. You can say things like, "My phone is on the table," or "The window is open today." The goal is not to speak perfect English. The goal is to make your brain react to real objects using English immediately. You can also do this outside while walking. Look at the road, the trees, the cars, the shops, and describe them in simple English. At first, your brain may still try to translate everything, and that is completely normal. But if you continue doing this every day, your brain slowly becomes faster at understanding English directly. Now let's move to exercise number 2. This exercise is one of the best ways to improve speaking confidence, and it is called Talk to Yourself in English. Yes, it may feel a little strange at first, but it works incredibly well because there is no pressure when you are alone. You do not feel embarrassed. You do not worry about mistakes. And because of that, your brain feels relaxed enough to practice naturally. When you wake up in the morning, try describing your actions in English. You can say, "I need to get out of bed," or "I feel very sleepy today." While making tea or coffee, you can say, "The water is getting hot," or "I need some sugar." When you are walking outside, describe what you see around you. At the beginning, your sentences may feel small and simple, and that is perfectly fine. Simple English spoken daily is much more powerful than advanced English that you never use. Now let's talk about exercise number 3, which is extremely powerful for memory and fluency. This exercise is called Use Pictures Instead of Translation. Whenever you learn a new English word, stop connecting it to your language. Instead, connect it to a picture, action, or feeling. For example, if you learn the word hungry, do not immediately think about the meaning in your own language. Instead, imagine yourself looking at delicious food after a long day. If you learn the word angry, picture someone shouting with an upset face. If you learn the word run, imagine a person running quickly on a road. Your brain understands images much faster than translations. That is why visual learning is so powerful. So from today, whenever you learn a new word, create a small image or scene in your mind. This habit will slowly train your brain to understand English directly. Now let's move to exercise number 4. This exercise can seriously improve your speaking speed, and it is called Listen and Repeat Immediately. Choose easy English audio from YouTube videos, podcasts, interviews, or short movie clips. Listen carefully to one sentence, then pause the audio and repeat the sentence immediately. Try to copy the pronunciation, speed, and emotion as closely as possible. For example, if the speaker says, "I don't know what happened," pause the video and repeat the same sentence naturally. The reason this exercise works so well is because it trains your brain to react quickly in English without spending too much time translating. You are teaching your mouth and your brain to work together automatically. But here is something very important. Do not practice with content that is too difficult. Many learners watch fast movies with advanced vocabulary, understand almost nothing, and then feel disappointed. Instead, start with easy English that you can understand comfortably. Easy practice builds confidence, and confidence helps you stay consistent. And consistency is what truly changes your English over time. Now let's talk about the final exercise. And honestly, this one can completely change the way you think in English. Exercise number 5 is called Live Small Moments in English. This exercise means choosing small parts of your day where you think only in English. For example, while brushing your teeth, try describing your actions in English. While eating food, think about the taste, smell, and texture in English. When you are outside, quietly describe the people, buildings, weather, and sounds around you. You might say things like, "The sky looks beautiful today," or "That man is wearing a blue jacket." At first, your brain may feel tired because it is learning a completely new habit. But after some time, something amazing begins to happen. You no longer need to translate every sentence before speaking. And that is the moment when your fluency truly starts growing. Many learners believe they must first master grammar or memorize thousands of words, but that mindset only delays progress. Thinking in English is not the final result of fluency. It is the path that leads to fluency. The more you practice simple English every day, the more natural the language becomes inside your mind. And your brain works exactly like a muscle. If you practice translation every day, your brain becomes faster at translating. But if you practice direct English thinking every day, your brain becomes faster at thinking in English naturally. So build the habit that actually helps you speak fluently. Even if your English is simple, even if you make mistakes sometimes, keep practicing anyway. Because every small sentence is helping your brain become more comfortable with English. So starting today, practice these 5 exercises daily. Name the things around you. Talk to yourself in English. Use pictures instead of translation. Listen and repeat simple English audio. And finally, live small moments of your day completely in English. Do not expect instant results after one day, because language learning takes time. But if you stay consistent, one day you will suddenly notice something incredible. You answered a question in English without translating first. And that moment feels amazing, because you finally realize that English is becoming natural for you. If you enjoyed this video, write in the comments, "I will think in English from today." And also, tell me which exercise you want to try first. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and continue practicing your English every single day, because fluency is built slowly through small daily habits.